You get the most from Google Cloud when you understand exactly how it's being used across your organization. Without this information, it's difficult to know what steps you can take to increase the value Google Cloud delivers to your team and organization. Active Assist Recommendations draws on the power of machine learning to provide valuable recommendations and insights to help you optimize your Google Cloud resources for performance, reliability, cost, security, sustainability, and manageability. As an enhanced support customer, you can enable the Recommender API, allowing you to automate recommendations, build integrations that ease your support operations management, and adopt recommendations at scale. You also get access to the Recommendations BigQuery export feature, which makes it easy to create reports or dashboards for all the recommendations in your organization. The recommendations leverage data-driven insight based on your team's usage and behaviors. This real-world data is augmented by advice from Google experts to provide simple, powerful tips customized to the way you use the cloud. Recommendations appear in the central Recommendations Hub, as well as contextually as you're managing different resources across Google Cloud. Google's optimization suggestions can help you run things more smoothly by lifting the operational burden off your team, increasing your security, finding cost-saving opportunities, and helping you towards your business goals. Recommenders will start offering proactive suggestions within 90 days of a project being created. Look for them in the Recommendations tab of the project landing page or on resource pages as you explore Google Cloud services. Gain valuable insight into how you're using the cloud, pick up tips on how to optimize your systems, and boost your productivity and efficiency with enhanced support.